Hey guys, it's me Chitra and you're most welcome to this Google Ads on Air universe. And today in this video I'm going to show you something. So let's start the video. So welcome to you in this presentation. Actually I'm going to share the strategy of one of my clients. So let's begin it. So in very recent we make a strategy for one of our client. So basically it's a service business and their main target is leads and they run ad previously. So we designed two campaigns. The first one is search campaign and its main objective is sales, and we are targeting buying keywords so that we can achieve our conversion goal easily. And with that we run our second campaign and it will be a PMax campaign and its objective will be also leads and it will be a retargeting campaign, and we share the previous data in this campaign. So when I present this strategy to the client, he said that he's achieving his sales or he's getting his leads by search campaign. So why he need to run performance max campaign? Is it wasting of money? So that's why I made this presentation to show him the advantage of PMax campaign. So let's get to the next page. Why performance max campaign? Let's discuss it. Drive better result with performance max. Now the question isn't why, but how. Performance max is the only campaign that covers every Google channel. With single Google Ads performance max campaign, reach the customers most likely to buy from you wherever they are browsing on search, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, display and discovery. It covers search, video, display, apps, shopping and so on. When the audience search you, your ads will show everywhere, just everywhere, in YouTube, in display, in search, in discover, in Gmail, in Maps, and also in the Google partner channel. And the second benefit of performance max campaign is it is best for reach new customer. Using performance max best practices, you can boost your conversion or sales. Performance max campaign automate your bidding and determine where your ads show up so you can reach customers when you are most likely to buy, maximizing your ROI and higher conversion goal. The third advantage of a performance max campaign is it connects with consumers that are ready to buy. Reach more converting customers across search, YouTube, display, discover, Gmail and Maps. Market at the speed of today's consumers and meet them where they are, no matter how unpredictable. And the fourth advantage of a performance max campaign is it is easy to get more conversion with a performance max campaign. Google's advertiser says that use Google performance max campaigns in their account see an average increase of 13% total incremental conversion that are similar cost per action. And also performance max is best for retargeting the previous audience. If you know which type of audiences and customer segments are more likely to convert, share this knowledge using audience signal. This helps your campaigns ramp up and drive result faster. And the most exciting part of a performance max campaign is automate the ads journey with us and Google AI. We provided the marketing goals, assets and budget, and performance max uses Google AI to get your ad in front of the right customer at the right time. It means right time, right ad, right place through right channel. Drive better performance against your goals. Whether you're driving online sales, leads or store visits, share what type of conversion performance max campaign should optimize for and set value to indicate which conversion are worth the most to your business. Other benefit of performance max campaign: unlock new audience across Google's channel and networks, drive better performance against your goals, get more transparent insights, simplify your campaign. So what is the criteria to run a performance max campaign? What is the criteria to run a performance max campaign? Actually there are three things that we need to know. The first thing is define your goal. Just clear what is your campaign goal. Is it sales, leads or online store visit? then provide as many high quality creative assets as possible. And the third thing is share who are the most valuable audience. We need to give a previous audience signals or audience data in Google AI so that it can understand the target. We need to give a previous audience signal or audience data, so we need to give a previous audience signal or audience data to Google AI so that it can understand our targeted audience properly. So that's all, and isn't it enough to run a performance max campaign? Thank you for seeing this video and see you on the next video.